In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enhance your photos here in Canva. Now, because I don't have a low quality image, I've gone ahead and made this image low quality by coming up to Edit Image, coming down to Adjust, and then I just increase the blur ever so slightly so the image is blurry. Now, what we're going to do is use this photo in combination with an app here in Canva and technically upscale this image. So I have the image up here. Let's go ahead and add it to the page like so. Then we're going to come over to apps, which is just here. Now the app we're going to use is called Enhancer. So we're going to type that in up here, Enhancer. We're going to click enter, and then it's going to be this app just here. Now what we want to do is choose our file. So we're going to click choose the photo that we want to enhance, and then we're going to click open. Now because this has a face, we're going to click enhance face as well, and then we're going to click enhance image. Now this can take a few seconds to actually do its thing. Now while that's actually doing that, I just quickly want to say there are a lot better ways that you can enhance and upscale your images. Now this way isn't going to work 100% all of the time, but nonetheless, for a Canva app, this is actually pretty good. Now this has gone ahead and enhanced the image and upscaled by 500%. Now if we open a new page like this, click Add to Design, this can take a little bit of time to do its thing. So let's just give that a second as well. There we go. It looks like it's not worked. If you just give it a few seconds, there's going to be a little message that pops up. There we go. Enhancer has successfully uploaded the media to your library, and there we go. It's now enhanced. So if we take a look at the original, we can really see the difference. But again, this isn't going to work 100% all of the time. I suggest just playing around with it to see what results that you get. But that's how you can enhance photo quality here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.